Hi, I'm Holly, and I'm here to start teaching psychology. I'm working with Homeskoolery.com, and I'm so excited to be here. I want to start introducing psychology and looking at famous psychologists, the experiments that they did, and how we can replicate them. So that way you can try some psychological experiments sometimes, not all of them, but we can do some of them for sure. So what I want to look at in this psychology course is the brain. No, I'm not an artist. That's clear. So what we want to look at is thoughts. Thoughts, what we're thinking, why we think them, what somebody else may be thinking, or, kind of understanding those thought processes. We also want to look at interactions, which is social interactions, why people do the things that they do inside of a group of people, as well as how we interact with people one-on-one, things like that. We want to look at the why. We want to understand why people do things the way that they do. Why do you do that? Why did you say that? Why, right? So we want to understand the why. And to do that, we have to understand psychology and how the brain works. We also want to look at perceptions. Perceptions is how we view the world around us, or how others are viewing the world around them. Perceptions is what guides us into being who we are. What we perceive influences who we become, right? So that's what I really want to look at in this psychology course. I want to really start a discovery process of ourselves and those around us. So I look forward to seeing you at Homeskoolery.com, working together, learning psychology.